Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Vechain, whose current price stands at the $0.02436 mark, and here on TradingView the market is down by 0.29%. And in this video I want to give the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliot waves and the Fibonacci's, and also the key areas of support and resistances. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening on this chart. Vechain from the all-time high has been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, which has now taken us back to around the $0.02 mark. And if I start my analysis here on the daily chart, you can see on the daily chart we had been trading within this channel. We managed to break out of that channel to the upside, managed to break above key areas of resistances, and at the key area of resistance at around the $0.03362 mark, we got rejected, and we are seeing this massive pullback to the lower side. And if I jump to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, here on the 4-hour chart, I initially had this movement to the upside as an Elliot wave structure, which I expected this to be the first wave, then a wave 2, then I expected to see a wave 3, then a wave 4, and then a wave 5 to complete a higher Elliot wave count 1. But that Elliot wave structure was invalidated since the wave 4 retraced into the high of that first wave to the upside. That is within this dotted line that I have here on the charts at around the $0.026 mark. That invalidated my Elliot wave structure, and now I have removed it on the charts, and I'm terming this movement to the upside as a massive ABC correction, which was just correcting that massive ABC correction which gave us a low at around the $0.02 mark. And after seeing a massive ABC correction, the next thing that I expect on this other side is the formation of a 5-wave structure to the lower side, which could possibly be giving us lower lows here on the Vechain chart. So whatever I have on this other side, I'm terming it as a 5-wave structure, having that as the first wave. Then I expect a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and then continue pushing to the lower side in the formation of a wave 5. And once that plays out and maybe gives us another new low, then we can expect a massive pump to the upside, maybe taking us back to an all-time high. Before all that plays out, there are key things that I expect to unfold within this 5-wave structure. And because we are in the formation of a wave 1, we also expect to see another fractal wave within a wave 1. So if I jump to the 1-hour chart so that we can see that fractal wave within a wave 1. So here on the 1-hour chart, within this first wave to the lower side, I also expect to see fractal waves in formation within a wave 1, and I think that movement is over here, having this as the first wave of that fractal wave within wave 1. Then we saw a wave 2, then we saw a very nice retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 3. Then whatever we are seeing over here is a formation of a wave 4. Then this is a wave 5 to complete that higher Elliot wave count 1. So now that we have seen the formation of a wave 5 to the lower side, we can name this fractal wave as a higher Elliot wave count 1. And if I get a little bit into the details of this fractal wave so that it can give me the key scenarios that I expect to play out here on this chart. Once we saw the low for that first wave to the lower side, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in the formation of a wave 2, though it was not that high, but we saw the formation of a wave 2, then a massive pullback to the lower side in the formation of a wave 3. And using the trend-based Fibonacci's, we can get to see whether the wave 3 has done the minimum that we expected it to do, using the trend-based Fibonacci's, connecting the low of the wave 1 to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 2. And you can see that wave 3 to the lower side retraced into our minimum target area at around the fib level 1.618, that is the $0.02659 mark, and we made our low at around the $0.02504 mark, and we started to see a very nice bounce to the upside in the formation of a wave 4, which is a corrective wave also, and we saw a very nice bounce to the upside and made a high at around the $0.027 mark. And right now we are seeing a massive pullback to the lower side in the formation of a wave 5, and it's possible that the low for that wave 5 is in, and we can name this fractal wave as a higher Elliott wave count 1. And if we assume that is the case, that we have completed a higher Elliott wave count 1, and whatever we expect next to play out here is the formation of a wave 2, then higher prices could be coming here on the Vechain chart, because a wave 2 is a retracement of the first wave. So using the Fibonacci's, we can get a minimum target area for that second wave to the upside, connecting the fibs to the low of the wave 1 then to the high of the wave 1. That gives me a minimum target area for that second wave to the upside between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the $0.028 mark and the $0.027 mark. So what I expect to play out here on the Vechain chart is that we are going to see higher prices in the formation of a wave 2 very soon. And down here you can see we found support at around the $0.024 mark, and that key area of support is giving us support, and we have support for us to continue pushing higher, retrace in the formation of a wave 2, and get into this yellow target area between the $0.029 mark and the $0.027 mark. And once we see the formation of a wave 2, then I can expect lower prices in the formation of a higher Elliott wave count 3. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. Also taking a look at the indicators to see whether those movements, that is the formation of a wave 2, will be supported. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 42 mark, and that means we have massive room for us to support any movement to the upside. Even here on the 4-hour RSI, we have massive room for us to support that movement. Also taking a look at the MACD. On the MACD, we have not yet printed a bullish cross, but soon we are going to print something, and you can see we are also losing the selling volume here on the MACD. So soon we might see the print of a bullish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.